Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Windows 11 or 10 if it doesn't detect your headphones when connected. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, I would like for you to check, the I/O ports of your computer, or it could be a laptop, So sometimes at the back of your, what do we call this? Your case, alright, you'll be able to see these colored jacks, or audio jacks. Just make sure if you have a headphone that got the 3.5 millimeter pin, make sure that you insert it in the green port. And sometimes in front or at the top of your CPU case, you'll be able to see a port as well. Just make sure that you use the ones for your headset. So you can go ahead and try to plug it in from the back or at the front of your CPU case. So what if you have a USB headphone? So what should we do? So go ahead and go to your sound icon right here at the bottom right. Just right click on it. Now click on sound settings. Go ahead and scroll down and tap on more sound settings. Now you'll be able to see a playback tab. So what you'll do is just go ahead and find your specific speaker, It could be a 3.5 or USB headphones. Headphones. Just like this one. All right. Right click on it, click on properties. Now go ahead over to advanced right here. Untick this one, allow application to take exclusive control. And then go to enhancements. Make sure that you disable all enhancements. Hit on apply. Then preview. All right. And hit on OK. Now, if you can't still see your headphones right here, don't worry. Just go ahead and go to the top, find system update, and just click on check for updates. In here, make sure that you install all available updates, as well as going to advanced options, optional updates, as the drivers for all of our devices will be available in this section. As far as I know, headphones could be USB or 3.5 or plug and play. There will be some headphones like the expensive ones that needs a driver, but you'll be able to see the instructions in the manual. So just go ahead and look it up. All right. Again, if you have a USB headphone, try to plug it in to a different USB port. And if all else fails, you might want to get it replaced. So that is how you fix Windows 11 or 10 if it doesn't detect your headphones when connected. If this video helps, I'll see you in the next one.